Go back. So we could also decide what message we actually want to throw in here. Like we want to throw, for instance, product repository cannot be null. That could be a message we want to throw. So let's try and do that test driven right here. So we'll make another fact right here. And the new fact, what we're going to do is we're going to say throws exception with message right here instead of the old method name. So it could be any name, it's up to you. And the message I want to kind of return right here, I can actually get that back by saying var exception, because that's actually the exception that was triggered from this assert right here. So this exception right here now will actually be whatever is triggered inside this assert. So now we have the exception. What we can actually do is a pretty simple thing. We can go and say assert dot equal like this, and then we can put in the message we want. So let's say we want the message to be product repository cannot be null, like this. Now we could put that anywhere we want, and right now let's just place it inside the actual equal right here, and then we can say exception.message to kind of see if we can get that message back from our actual exception right here. And if we can right click now and say run this new unit test, it'll hopefully fail because this shouldn't work right now. And there we go. And let's just go and now copy this to our actual message inside the production code again. Look at how the code is kind of just creating itself again. There we go. And actually let's just put in null 1 here by mistake. Try and run the code again. I'll rerun this unit test down here and I just run it. And I don't know what this is running. Let's stop that one. And there we go. And now we fail again, because if you read the code, it says cannot be null, but it actually is cannot be null 1. So let's get rid of the 1 again and just rerun that unit test and actually run all the unit tests to make sure that we didn't break anything else with this new thing we just created. And there we go. We just made another unit test, and this time we're testing a message of an exception inside a unit test, and we actually again did it completely test driven right here in our system. So that's it for this lesson. Next lesson we'll try and have a look at how we can make sure that methods are being called exactly one time. See you next time. Bye.